Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to format text in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the composition tools you need. Once your emails have loaded, you'll want to start composing a new message to access the formatting options. Look at the top left part of your screen and click on the New Email button. This opens up a fresh email composition window where you can write and format your message. Now, from the email composition screen, direct your attention to the top menu area. You'll see several tabs available and you want to click on the Format Text tab. This is where all the text formatting magic happens. When you click on this tab, you'll notice different sections appear in the ribbon, each dedicated to helping you style your email exactly how you want it. The Format Text menu is divided into several key sections. You'll see options for adjusting fonts where you can change the typeface, size, and color of your text. There's also a paragraph section that lets you control alignment, spacing, and indentation. Additionally, you'll find text heading styles that allow you to apply predefined formatting to make certain parts of your email stand out, like titles or section headers. These tools give you complete control over how your email looks, making it more professional and easier to read. And that's it. You now know how to access and use the text formatting tools in Outlook to create well-styled, professional-looking emails. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.